Hi guys, John with BurqueñoBQ here. Now today I actually don't want to do a cooking video. I want to talk about one of the things I hate. Actually, the biggest thing I hate about finding recipes on the internet. And I'm sure you've all been in this situation. You're looking at recipes on one of your favorite food websites. Maybe it's a really great recipe. I'll check out this pozole here. Well, the recipe loads up. It's a great looking picture, but you start scrolling down and you just think, where's the recipe? Where's the recipe? Oh, there it is. Okay, here's the recipe. Now, I admit I might be guilty of this as well as all the other food bloggers, but there's a reason. Search engines like Google have search engine optimization requirements, and if you don't write enough on your web page, then all of a sudden it's never going to get ranked in people's search results. So it's this kind of weird thing where if you don't write enough, you're not going to get your recipe out to people to see it, but you have to write so much that it might annoy the people who want to see it. And when I started food blogging, I really didn't want that to happen. I have this great feature on my website right here called Jump to Recipe. And if I hit that button, it doesn't matter how much text or videos, images, anything is below it, it's going to take me straight to the recipe, and you can get going on the information you actually care about. Now, I've also got a lot of other really cool features on here, like being able to scale the servings that you want to make, or you can just automatically double or triple it. But I want to talk about a couple of other things today. At the top, you'll see there's another button, Jump to Video. Well, that does what you guessed. It takes me straight down to the video embedded in that recipe card. But there's one other cool feature right at the top here. If you already know that you want it and you don't want to be having your iPad or your phone, whatever, having to keep on checking it, you can just go ahead and click this print recipe button, and it will automatically produce this really nice printable format where you can still scale the serving sizes, and it doesn't have the images, just all the information you need to make that recipe. One quick little part here, if I hit this Jump to Recipe button, you'll see there's 3 more buttons in the recipe. One of them is just the same print recipe we just discussed. Does the same thing. The Add This Recipe to My Collections, that's a more advanced feature. I'll make a video about that at a later date, but it's really cool. You can generate shopping lists, all kinds of cool stuff. The last thing I want to talk about is this Pin Recipe button, and if you have a board on your Pinterest account where you like to store recipes that you want to make sure you have easy access to, this is a great feature. Simply click Pin Recipe, and this handy pop-up will appear on your screen. You can choose which boards you want to post to or pin to, or you can create a new board and it'll automatically take this recipe, link it on your Pinterest account. That's it for this quick instructional video about how to solve the biggest thing I hate about finding recipes on the internet. Thanks and have a great day.